no! The floor is so slippery!
I'm scared. Why is there so much water? The lights are flickering. That's dangerous.
In a small, quiet town, mornings are usually peaceful. And inside this house, a new day is just beginning.
It's so quiet this morning. I like mornings like this. They feel calm. Let me wash these vegetables first. Then I'll start making breakfast. Did I just hear dripping? That's weird. Why is my foot suddenly wet?
Oh no! The pipe is cracked! It's leaking more than yesterday!
This doesn't look like a small problem anymore. Honey, can you come here for a second? Something's not right.
What's going on? Everything okay?
Not really.
Let me take a look. Yeah, I see the leak.
It's a little wet, but it's not a big deal. It's fine. I'll fix it tomorrow when I have more time.
But it's already leaking more than...
Don't worry. Tomorrow will be fine.
Okay. I hope you're right.
I really don't feel good about this. I'll clean it up for now and keep an eye on it.
Wow, there's more water than I thought. I don't have much time. I need to finish breakfast.
Meetings all day today. It's gonna be a long one.
Tomorrow? I hope it doesn't get worse.
It's dripping faster now. It's louder. And it's starting to worry me.
Yes, I agree with that plan. Let's move on to the next point.
I just cleaned this, and it's wet again. The leak is getting worse. Can you take a quick look?
I really can't right now. We'll deal with it tomorrow.
This doesn't feel safe.
I've had a long day. I just want to relax.
I'll put another bucket here, just in case.
These buckets are filling up way too fast.
I'm serious. This is getting worse.
I hear you. Okay? Tomorrow. I promise.
It's getting dark earlier than usual.
A heavy storm is expected tonight, with strong wind and rain.
That wind looks really strong. It's gonna rain hard tonight. I'm worried about that pipe.
The pipes are inside. The rain outside won't affect them.
That lightning was really close. Did you hear that?
The pipe sounds different. Oh no, something's about to happen. Oh no, the pipe just burst. Water is spraying everywhere. This is bad, really bad. The water is already up to my ankles. Tom! Anna! Come here right now! Stay close to me! Mom, I'm scared. Why is there so much water? I don't like this. I'm really scared.
Whoa! The floor is so slippery!
The lights are flickering. That's dangerous.
Where's the shutoff valve? I can't find it!
Come on, stay steady. I need to turn this off.
Please hurry. The water keeps rising.
It's stuck! Why won't it move?
It's okay, Anna. I'm here.
Come on! Please work! I did it. The water is off.
Is everyone okay?
Yeah, I think so. That was really scary. My heart is still beating so fast.
I can't believe this happened. If I'd fixed it sooner, this wouldn't have happened.
I didn't want this to happen. Small problems don't stay small when we keep putting them off.
I know. I kept saying tomorrow. And now I regret it.
I wasn't angry. I was just worried.
You were right. I should have listened. I'm not waiting anymore. I'm gonna fix this right now. I should have taken care of it when it was easy.
We all make mistakes. What matters is fixing them. At least the storm is calming down.
Okay, this should hold now.
It stopped. The water is finally under control.
That was exhausting, but I feel better now. It looks solid. I won't ignore things like this again.
Dad, I was really scared.
I'm sorry you had to see that. I should have acted sooner.
So next time, no tomorrow, right?
Yes, no more tomorrow. I promise.
We're safe, and that's what matters most.
Dad, next time, do it today.
Deal. I learned my lesson.
Fixing small things early can save us from bigger problems later.